Hello guys! Today is our monthsary and naisipan na rin namin today is celebrate ang Mother's Day. Bago kami dumiretso sa pupuntahan namin ay bumisita muna kami kay nanay to give her flowers too. Cemetery ay dumiretso na kami dito sa Alabang West Parade. Located siya sa Daang Hari. Hindi ko na masyadong na-vlog yung biyahe namin papunta since mabilis lang and malapit lang ito if you're from the south. Reason why we're here is because dito sa Lockscape Spa, nagtubok si Habi para sa Mother's Day treat niya daw sa akin. Upon entering the spa, sobrang bango niya guys and sobrang cozy ng ambience. First, you need to fill out their form. And very accommodating ng mga staff here. So while we're waiting, relax muna kami habang inaayos ni ate yung room namin for our massage. Finally, nakapasok na kami and sobrang bango guys. Ito yung spa na gustong gusto ko kasi marerelax ka talaga. So nag-start na sila ate gawin yung services sa amin. And hindi ko na masyadong na-vlog yung minamassage na kami. Ito yung natapos na gawin yung massage sa amin and sobrang relaxing talaga. So after nun, kasama sa services na inavail namin is yung facial. E di ayan, naglaro na naman ng ganda-gandahan mo si ate mo girl. Oh, pak. By the way guys, yung facial ay naglast siya ng 45 minutes and yung massage ay 1.5 hour. So walang masyadong video guys as much as we wanted to. Kasi gusto lang namin ma-relax the whole time. After full body massage, facial, ay! May pa-nails pa! Muntik na talaga akong magstay dyan whole day, promise. So, I had their gel polish services and isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa kanila is sila mismo yung nagsasuggest sa'yo kung ano yung babagay sa nails mo. Finally, natapos rin and medyo nag-expect lang ako na may magpo-propose since nagpa-nails. Char. At ito na nga pinaka-highlight guys. Aba, may pa-surprise bouquet pa. At hindi lang bouquet ha, match bouquet. Actually, medyo expected ko na yung flowers since consistent siya doon. Sobrang na-happy talaga ako guys. Feeling ko princess over princess treatment talaga. After couple of hours waiting, I know gutom na kaming lahat guys. So dito na rin namin naisipang kumain sa Alabang West Parade. And maraming magagandang restaurant dito. We tried Mama Lou's Italian Kitchen. And meron akong separate vlog about it and how we rated their food and their ambience kasi sobrang okay ng experience namin dito guys. Sobrang nabusog kami. And after namin kumain, I know halos na-consume ko na yung buong araw. So, binigay ko na yung remaining time sa mag-ama ko for them to enjoy and have quality time. First time namin dito sa Alabang West and ito yung main attraction nila. Meron dito silang malaking I think koi or fish pond. And hindi na rin kami masyadong nagtagal. Pumunta kami ng SM South Mall to play bowling. Para bonding na rin with Kael. And super nag-enjoy since first time din namin maglaro niyan. So yun lang guys. Sobrang na-happy ako sa araw na to. And thank you for my hubby for making this day possible. Hope you like this short video vlog. Till next time. Bye!